The Alberta Teachers Association has a long history of supporting members of the 2S LGBTQ+ community and promoting inclusion for gender and relationship diverse students, teachers, and families. Although Alberta schools and communities are more diverse and inclusive than ever before, we still have a long way to go before everyone feels welcomed, accepted, and valued. Wearing rainbow pins, painting crosswalks, and flying pride flags are important first steps we can take to demonstrate our support this month. But meaningful allyship requires year-round commitment to learning and using everyone's correct names and pronouns, using gender-inclusive language at school, at work, and at home, inviting gender and relationship diverse individuals to be included in discussions about matters that impact them, making ourselves available to listen to them when they may need support or advice, and standing up against homophobic and transphobic behavior. And finally, supporting our colleagues through the ATA GSA Gender and Sexuality Alliance. Colleagues, as we head towards the summer, it's important to remember that many gender and relationship diverse youth may not experience the same level of safety and comfort at home that they do at school. Please let them know that they can access support through the Kids Help Phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by calling 1-800-668-6868 or texting 686868. I wish you all a great Pride Month. Make sure you carry your allyship and commitment forward year-round.